आईन शिक्षा एवं गवेषणा क्षेत्र में सृष्टि हेब माइल खुंट भुवनेश्वर किट विश्वविद्यालय परिसर में इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लॉ आईआईएल भित्ति प्रस्तर उत्सव अनुष्ठित होईछि। भारतीय बार काउंसिल ट्रस्ट एवं किट पक्षरु भित्ति प्रस्तर उत्सव संपन्न होईछि। आईआईएल निरंतर आईन शिक्षार धारा सृष्टि करिबो बोली सुप्रीम कोर्टर विचारपति जस्टिस उदय उमेश ललित कहिसेंति। अन्य मानक मध्य जस्टिस भूषण रामकृष्ण गवाई, जस्टिस वी रामसुब्रमण्यम, बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया अध्यक्ष मनन कुमार मिश्र, ओडिशार एडवोकेट जनरल अशोक परिजा प्रमुख अतिथि भावरे जोग देइथिले। विभिन्न शिक्षण केन्द्र अधीन रे आईआईएल आईन न्याय एवं सामाजिक विकास समस्त दिगरे गवेषणा करिबो।
इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लॉ आईआईएल निरंतर आईन शिक्षार धारा सृष्टि करिबो बोली सुप्रीम कोर्ट विचारपति जस्टिस उदय रमेश ललित कहिसेंति। शनिवार किट परिसर में आईआईएल भित्तिप्रस्तर स्थापन उत्सवर मुख्य अतिथि भाव जोगदे जस्टिस ललित कहिले ज्ञान आहरण केबे भी बंद हेबा उचित नुहे। जीवन में परिवर्तन हेउछि एकमात्र स्थिर। समस्त प्रकार वृत्ति रे निरंतर शिक्षार गुरुत्व रहिछि। यह हेउछि प्रत्येक व्यक्ति जीवन में एक अंश विशेष। निरंतर आईन शिक्षार धारा सृष्टि करिबारे आईआईएल हेउछि प्रथम अनुष्ठान। यह प्रत्येक व्यक्ति क्षेत्र में निरंतर शिक्षा लाभ करिबार अभ्यास सृष्टि करिबो बोली कहिथिले। बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया बीसीआई और किटर एही मिलित प्रयास को से उच्च प्रशंसा करिथिले। अन्यतम अतिथि भाव जोगदी सुप्रीम कोर्ट विचारपति जस्टिस भूषण रामकृष्ण गवाई एही अनन्य पदक्षेप पई बीसीआई और किट विश्वविद्यालय को अभिनंदन जणाइथिले। से कहिथिले 1988 मसीह बीसीआई बेंगलुरु रे प्रथम जातीय आईन विश्वविद्यालय प्रतिष्ठा करी आईन शिक्षा एवं आईनजीवी मानरे आखिदृशिया परिवर्तन आनिथिला। सेहिपरि आईआईएल प्रतिष्ठा बार काउंसिल इतिहास रे एक माइल खुंट होई रहिबो बोली जस्टिस गवाई कहिथिले। आईआईएल माध्यम रे देश रे गुणात्मक आईन शिक्षक सृष्टि होई परिबे बोली से आशा पोषण करथिले। अन्यतम अतिथि सुप्रीम कोर्ट विचारपति जस्टिस वी रामसुब्रमण्यम कहिले वर्तमान देश में 1000 ऊर्ध्व आईन कॉलेज रहितिबा बेले प्रतिवर्ष 2,50,000 आईन स्नातक उत्तीर्ण हेउछन्ति। आईआईएल आईन शिक्षाविद और आईनजीवी मध्य संपर्क स्थापन सेतु पलटिबो बोली से कहिथिले।
One has to imbibe in yourself, that is that continuing education. Continuing education is here to stay. Continuing education is part of everybody's life. It is part of our persona. It's part of your profile. And therefore, this is such a welcome step which has been taken by the Bar Council of India Trust, along with, of course, the active participation by Kalinga Institute of Technology. What we saw as the first step, which was taken when National Law University was actually founded in Bangalore, that has now become the constant phenomenon. We have more than 20 national law universities. Perhaps this is that step which will again actually imbibe that culture, that way we will be having more and more such institutes, and more the idea of continuing education taking root in everybody's mind.
I'm very happy to know that the steps taken by the Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology of providing free education to more than 35,000 tribal students in this area, which is a predominantly tribal and backward area, is a step towards achieving political and social justice. Every such movement, every such step in order to achieve the aim of the framers of the Constitution who had struggled for getting freedom is necessary. I must congratulate Dr. Samanta for all his efforts in the field of providing education for the people who, on account of geographical reasons, the tribals could not have access to justice.
This institute is conceived to be on a tripod. It is intended to train students, academicians, and professionals. Unfortunately, in our system, there is a complete disconnect between academicians and professionals. It is probably that disconnect which is sought to be addressed by establishing this Indian Institute of Law. First step has been taken by the Bar Council of India to establish such an institution which will cater not only to the needs of students but also cater to the needs of the faculty, the academicians, and also cater to the needs of the professionals.
ଏହି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ଭାରତର ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ଆଇନ ଶିକ୍ଷାବିତ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଏଲ୍ଏନ୍ ମିତ୍ର ଆଇଆଇଏଲ୍ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠାର ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ଆଲୋକପାତ କରିଥିଲେ। କିଟ୍ ଓ କିସ୍ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠାତା ଡକ୍ଟର ଅଚ୍ୟୁତ ସାମନ୍ତ କହିଥିଲେ, ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ଆଇଆଇଏଲ୍ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା ହେବା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ପାଇଁ ଗର୍ବ ଓ ଗୌରବର ବିଷୟ। ବିସିଆଇ କିଟ୍ ବିଶ୍ୱବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟକୁ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ନିଜର ସହଯୋଗୀ ଭାବେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିବାରୁ କିଟ୍ ନିଜକୁ ଧନ୍ୟ ମନେ କରୁଛି ବୋଲି ସେ କହିଥିଲେ। କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ ଜେନେରାଲ ତଥା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବାର୍ କାଉନସିଲ୍ ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର କମିଟି ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ଅଶୋକ ପରିଜା ଯୋଗଦେଇ କହିଥିଲେ, ଦୀର୍ଘ 3 ଦଶନ୍ଧି ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଆଇନ ଶିକ୍ଷା କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଅନେକ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ହୋଇଛି। ଆଜିର ଦିନରେ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ, ମେଡିକାଲ ଓ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଭଳି ଆଇନ ଶିକ୍ଷା ମଧ୍ୟ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ପସନ୍ଦ ପାଲଟିଛି ବୋଲି ସେ କହିଥିଲେ। ଏହି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ବିସିଆଇ ତଥା ବିସିଆଇ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟର ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ମନନ ମିଶ୍ର ସ୍ୱାଗତ ଭାଷଣ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିଥିବା ବେଳେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ବାର୍ କାଉନସିଲ୍ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ କମିଟି ସଦସ୍ୟ ତଥା ବରିଷ୍ଠ ଅଧିବକ୍ତା ମାନସ ରଞ୍ଜନ ମହାପାତ୍ର ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଅର୍ପଣ କରିଥିଲେ। ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଉଚ୍ଚ ନ୍ୟାୟାଳୟର ବହୁ ବିଚାରପତି ଓ ପୂର୍ବତନ ବିଚାରପତିଙ୍କ ସମେତ ବିସିଆଇ ତଥା ବିସିଆଇ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟର କର୍ମକର୍ତ୍ତା ଓ ସଦସ୍ୟଙ୍କ ସମେତ ଭାରତର ବହୁ ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ଆଇନଜ୍ଞ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିଲେ।
We are grateful to Dr. Samanta. The distinguished educationist has accepted our proposal and provided not only the land for the establishment of this institution, but also has agreed to provide substantial building with 1.5 lakh square feet constructed area. The most important thing is Dr. Samanta, that is the KIT, is not taking anything in return. This is a generous gesture of Dr. Samanta. We all know Dr. Samanta, who is the founder of medical, engineering, management, nursing, law, arts, and several other big institutes, provides free boarding, lodging, and food to about 35,000 children belonging to tribal and downtrodden families every day, apart from providing them free education right from class 1 till post-graduation. We have never seen or heard of such a great man in the world.
The historic day for the Odisha state and particularly KIT family, because today is the foundation ceremony of establishment of Indian Institute of Law. Odisha state, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik ji, has transformed from its dubious picture of natural disasters, poverty and malnutrition to that of progress, development and promise. The establishment of IIL is a matter of pride for Odisha state, and I am certain the state government will provide all requisite support for the successful setup and running of this IIL. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, in the recent Parliament session I was present, also emphasized on performance of the institutions, whether public or private, to be the yardstick for encouragement. A glaring example in this regard I can cite, giving Institute of Eminence or world-class university status to 10 public university and 10 private university in the country. We are very much happy and honored. KIT is also among the 10 deemed universities in the League of the Institute of Eminence recently given by the Government of India, the brainchild of our Honorable PM. Law intends to achieve social justice. And today, coincidentally, some of you may be knowing, today is the World Day of Social Justice. Today is the coincidentally World Day of Social Justice, and from the birth of KIT and KIS, we have justified the social justice in 100%. And the best example is the Kalinga Institute of Social Science, KIS, home for 60,000 poor tribal children, 30,000 pass out and 30,000 in the campus, fully free, fully residential from the KG to doctoral program. And 60% of them are the girls from the age of 5 to age of 25.
So if you want to impart good education, legal education, then you need good faculty. And for creating that faculty, we wish Professor Mitra is fit enough for the next 20 years to make his dream a reality. The partnership is wonderful. KITS and BCI couldn't have been a better marriage. And I'm sure in days to come. We will all assemble here once again for IIL to start.
निरंतर आईन शिक्षा और गवेषणा क्षेत्र में आईआईएल एक मॉडल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लॉ टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग और रिसर्च भावे कार्य करिबो। समग्र भारत में एभली अनुष्ठान हेउछि प्रथम। भुवनेश्वर में आईआईएल प्रतिष्ठानी किट और बीसीआई ट्रस्ट मध्य पूर्व एक बुझामणा पत्र स्वाक्षरित होइतिला। एही बुझामणा पत्र अनुसार भुवनेश्वर में किट आवश्यक जमी जोगाई देबा सह 1.5 लाख वर्गफुट जमी रे प्रस्तावित आईआईएल भित्तिभूमि निर्माणर 40% खर्च वहन करिबो। भुवनेश्वर वीडियोग्राफर पीयूष पाइक राय और ज्योति पाल सुजाता महापात्र रिपोर्ट कलिंग टीवी।